A Day in the Forest, Taking a Deeper Look at Trees by Kyle Bruton. Now here's our favorite Brain Pop Jr. characters, Annie and Moby, with their take on trees. Enjoy! Take it away!
What are we doing today, Moby? Cool! What are forests? A forest is a type of habitat that has many trees. A lot of other living things grow in forests too, like shrubs and bushes, ferns, flowers, fruit, and fungi. Different kinds of animals live in forests too. There's enough food, water, and shelter here for many animals to survive. There are different types of forests. What are deciduous forests like? Deciduous forests are found in places where the weather changes from season to season. The plants adapt to changes in the weather. During the warm and sunny summer, plants can grow thick and green. In the fall, the weather cools down and most plants grow more slowly. The leaves of many plants change colors and eventually fall off. As winter arrives, the weather gets colder and colder. Many plants stop growing in the winter to save energy, and some die. When the weather gets warmer in the spring, plants grow back. Some plants grow flowers and give off seeds so new plants can grow. What are coniferous forests like? Coniferous forests are found in areas where the weather changes from season to season. But they're also found in areas that stay cold for most of the year. Coniferous trees look pretty different from deciduous trees. The leaves of coniferous trees look like long, thin needles. They help the trees save water and protect them from the cold. Coniferous trees also grow cones. Its seeds are protected inside the cones. Unlike deciduous trees, coniferous trees don't lose their needles in winter, and trees stay green all year round. That's why they're called evergreens. Pine trees are a type of conifer. Christmas trees are conifers too. How are forests changing? Trees are natural resources. A lot of things we use every day come from trees. But people have been clearing forests for land and wood. When that happens, living things lose their habitats. It's important to protect habitats and use natural resources wisely. You can reduce, reuse, and recycle, and encourage others to do so too. You can also choose items that are made out of recycled materials. You can even write to government leaders and tell them to help protect our forests. Moby, I think it's time we go back to class now.
Thanks, Annie and Moby. That was great. Welcome to the Environmental Education Center, your guide to our trip. Here at the main building is where we will meet when we arrive, when we have lunch, and when we're ready to leave. While we explore, our guide will show us this beautiful pond surrounded by these trees. We will also be sure to walk this trail and many others as we identify trees along the way. Now here are some things that you might see while exploring the forest with your friends. While traveling through the forest, make sure to be on the lookout for different trees like pine trees, maple trees, and oak trees while your guide points them out to you. You will learn what they are called, many different facts about them, and how you can easily identify them. After lunch, you can use this knowledge during the tree identification scavenger hunt. Also, hopefully you remember a crayon, piece of paper, and a clipboard because along the way you'll be able to do neat things like bark rubbings. While on the trip, you can make bark rubbings with any tree that has texture. Leaf rubbings! Check out this leaf rubbing that you'll have the chance to do with many different types of leaves. It turns out very cool. Gathering tree items! Throughout the trip, you'll be able to gather any loose tree items that are already on the ground, like leaves, twigs, and pine cones, to put into your baggies and take back to school. Now let's go have some fun at the EEC. This field trip preview to the Environmental Education Center was directed and produced by Kyle Bruton, Ramapo College MSET. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.